Hi, it's Kate with Best Legal Practices. In the world of online marketing, nothing causes attorneys more stress than the idea of using Twitter. Does my firm really need it? How often should I tweet? And what on earth am I going to talk about? Of course, before you can be effective on Twitter, you need to have a following. That is, other Twitter users who subscribe to your Twitter feed. Now, while there's no surefire way to build such a following, there are some things you can do to help increase your popularity and connect with other users who have an interest in your particular practice area. Here's 5 to get you going. Number 1 is to follow others. Twitter users are notified when you follow them, and many will follow you back. It makes sense then to use this to your advantage and follow those that you think might be interested in what you have to say. The question is, how do you find them? There are 2 quick ways to find people with similar interests on Twitter. The first is to search a keyword or phrase in the search bar at the top of the Twitter page. This will return a list of tweets that include that phrase. Scroll through and follow those who are talking about your topic. The second way is to look on the right-hand side of your homepage. Here you'll see a column called Who to Follow. Twitter builds this list for you based on people you've already followed, those who are following you, and the subject matter of your tweets. This list updates constantly, so keep checking and following on a regular basis. Number 2 is hashtags. Hashtags are keywords that relate to your tweet, marked with a hash or #. Users can then click on the hashtag and see all the tweets that use that marker. A tweet about alimony, for example, could be marked with #alimony, so that those interested in this particular topic can track the hashtag and thus see your post. The third way to build your following is to tweet. Don't ask us why, but the more you tweet, the more popular you seem to get. That's assuming, of course, that your tweets are worth following. To keep things interesting, try mixing it up. In addition to tweeting about your new webinar or blog post, you should also use Twitter to point to other worthy articles, videos, and online media on the web that relate to your practice area. And to give your tweets some personality, you'll need to throw out a few that are not business related at all. Talk about your run in the park, planning the office Christmas party, or the fact that tonight is spaghetti night with your in-laws. This shows your human side, and since the whole reason you're on Twitter is to connect with your target audience, you need to let them see the part of you that isn't Bill Jones, attorney at law. Just remember that the more personal you make your Twitter feed, the more followers you'll attract. Number 4 is to promote your feed. Put a link to your Twitter account on your website and add the feed to your blog. Add a link to your email signature, your Facebook fan page, and anywhere else you have an online profile. Letting people know you're on Twitter is one of the fastest ways to build a following. And number 5 is borrow some followers from someone else. Offering to guest blog for someone else is considered a great way to promote your own website, but it can also help you build your Twitter audience too. Find other Twitter users that have both a strong following and also write about topics relevant to your practice area, and then offer to write a guest post or article for their site. They'll enjoy the exclusive content from an expert in the field, and you'll benefit from their promotional efforts on Twitter. Want to learn more about using Twitter to promote your law firm? You can download our free report, Marketing Your Law Firm with Twitter, Mass Exposure Made Easy, at www.bestlegalpractices.com/Twitter-4-law-firms.